In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your two lower splash shield bolts located on the bottom side of your splash shield. This is for a 2005 to 2010 Chrysler 300. Now on the bottom side of your splash shield is going to be two 10mm screw or bolts. There's one here, there's one here. Let's go ahead and loosen and remove those. Using our 10mm socket, let's go ahead and loosen and remove these. Go ahead and take your screw, line that up. I'm going to get that started a couple threads. Once that's started, go ahead and snug it down. Repeat for the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.